Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kay and today I'm doing a video just to show you guys this beautiful wig I received from RPG Show, and this is my first time wearing the wigs. I've never had any RPG Show wigs before, so this is like my first ever experience, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I think about it. And yeah, so if you want to know more about this wig, please keep on watching. So the wig that I'm wearing, it is a lace front wig. I have on a 20-inch, a 200 density. Name of the wig, it is BU007. And they're actually having a promotion going on right now. So you can buy anything on the website and receive a $70 off. So the number one thing that I'm gonna say right now is, if you like big hair, if you love big hair, this wig is for you, because it is big, right? And plus I want it bigger, because normally it is 100 density, but I wanted it 200 just to make it bigger, because I live for big hair. So yes, and this one here will be perfect for you, and I believe as it's not heavy, I can actually wear it in the summer too, right? I'm gonna be wearing this wig a lot, okay? I love the fact that it's very soft. The curls are pretty loose. I love that. And one more thing, I didn't do much with this wig. I washed it, deep conditioner, and that's it. You don't have to do much with it, okay, because it's already done for you. It's already bleached and the box, okay, it's really out of the box. I didn't even put any concealer. I just, washed it, and right now it's not even glued. I didn't put anything. As I said, it's already ready for you to wear. I'm lazy. I don't like to do much with my wigs. When I buy them, I want to make sure that I'm just gonna wash it and wear it, okay? That's how lazy I am when it comes to wigs. So if you're like me, this wig, you're gonna love it, because you don't have to do much with it. So that's it for me, guys. As you can tell, I'm loving this hair. You're probably gonna see more of me wearing this hair a lot. One thing is that I'm sure I'm gonna change my curls, because I love I love different curls here and there. So for now, I'm gonna wear it as is, and we'll see. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.